Next question. It's a next question. 1 liter of flask contains air, water vapor, and a small amount of liquid water at pressure 200 mm of Hg. If this is connected to another 1 liter evacuated flask, then what will be the final pressure of the gas mixture at the equilibrium? Temperature is 50 degrees Celsius and aqueous tension at 50 degrees Celsius is 93 mm of Hg. So we need to find out, this is happening. This is 1 liter flask. This is 1 liter. This one is also 1 liter. This contains 200 mm of Hg. Pressure is 200 mm of Hg. 200 mm of Hg pressure is there. (200 mm of Hg pressure is there in this case, and temperature is 50 degrees Celsius, which is constant throughout the experiment. They want to know what is the final pressure. If we connect this container to this container, then what will be the final pressure? For such type of problem, we are having a formula. P final is equal to P1 V1 plus P2 V2 divided by V1 plus V2. This is the formula. P1 V1 plus P2 V2 divided by V1 plus V2. So what is the P1? What is the P1 in this case? P1 is 200 minus 93. Why? Why is 200 minus 93? Because this is the aqueous tension. So answer is 107. Now 107. This is 107. This one is 107 plus multiplied by volume is 1 liter plus V2 again volume is 1 liter, and this P2 is equal to, find out what is evacuated flask is there. So what is the pressure? Pressure is nothing. If the flask is empty, then what is the pressure? Nothing. No pressure is there. Now in that case, what is the answer? It's a 107 into 1 plus this entire term is 0 divided by 1 liter plus 1 liter. What is the value? 2 liter. So answer is 53.5. Answer is 53.5. Answer is 53.5. This is the 0. This is 1 liter. So 0 multiplied by 1 liter is 0. This term is 107 into 1 . Suppose a container is there, this one is a container. Pressure is 2 atm, volume is 3 liter. It is connected with another container which contains gas A. Pressure is 6 atm. Volume is 7 liter, and this is the stopper. What will happen? What will be the pressure? If a stopper is removed? What will be the pressure if a stopper is removed? As we know, gas flow from high pressure to low pressure until pressure becomes equal. So obviously from this container to this container gas will flow. Gas will flow from this container to this container. Now see, what is the, if we put the formula P final is equal to P1 V1 plus P2 V2 divided by V1 plus V2. So it is 2 into 3 plus 6 into 7 divided by 3 plus 7. So it is 6 plus 42 by 10, 4.8 atm. Because pressure has moved, gas moved from this side to this side. It came up to 4.8 and this went up to from 2 to 4.8. That's why here the pressure will come down from 6 to 4.8. Here pressure will go from 2 to 4.8. Now next topic is kinetic theory of gas.